Hello, today I am in Adobe Spark Page to talk to you about sharing Adobe Spark resources that you've created. All three Adobe Spark resource types work exactly identical to the process that I'm about to show you here in Page, Adobe's simple website creation tool. There is also Post, which is a great graphics tool, and Spark Video, which is a simple and easy to use movie creation tool. Once you've used those tools to create a page, post, or video, and you're ready to publish and share, you simply go to the top toolbar here at Share, and you have two options once you publish and share. You can first grab the link, which I'll do here, and show you how to put that into a Dojo assignment. I have a template here. I'm asking the learners to look at that, and I simply am going to just paste that link right in and assign it to my class. Similarly, I could do that to the class story if I just wanted to share that with them. Secondly, if I don't want to just share the link and have to have learners click that and come over to Adobe Spark, I can go ahead and embed the resource into an assignment, for example, on Schoology. So I'll click the embed, grab this code by copying it, jump to Schoology, and I'm going to use the two vertical dots to switch to HTML, paste that code in, switch back, and then I can see that live version of the Adobe Spark page. Let's go ahead and create that and see what it looks like. Now that I see the page, I can preview it here, and if I want to see more, I can go ahead and click that. And now I'm at the live page and I can view everything that's on the page. So these are the two options that you have for sharing and publishing your Adobe Spark resources. And again, this works with page, post, and video. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.